Is your refrigerator filled with leftovers? Well, I have a recipe for you. The time now is 2:15 and it's a lovely Friday afternoon and I'm going to be making my leftover rolls version 1 because there's different ways of making this roll. So let's head out to my kitchen and make the roll. Well, I'm sure a lot of you are like me. You will have a little bit of leftovers, and today's recipe is with a little bit of leftover fried rice. This is last night's fried rice. It is not enough for a meal, but then we can use it as an ingredient to make it into a meal. So let's start. You can make this with the ready to cook chapatis that is there. I actually have a couple of these tortilla wraps, so I'll be using this to make the roll. For the sauce in this, I'm going to be using curds. But curds does have a lot of water. I don't want to make my roll runny, so I'm going to be putting this through a sieve. Okay, this is an office, so I don't have cloth or anything like that to make hung curd. But then through a sieve, it should take a lot of the water out. As long as it's a nice fine sieve, should take a good amount of water out and make good sauce. Now the nice thing about this is you can make it with any fried rice, any flavored rice that you have left over. It makes amazing filling. The quantity is not enough for a full meal. This makes it a full meal. Now that the tortilla is ready, or if you want to make a chapati, the chapati is ready. Let's flavor the curd. So there's a good amount of water which has come out of this, so this will be nice and thick now. So put this into another bowl, and I'm going to use this. This is a Bowl's curry powder. It's not, though it says hot, it's not really spicy, but it adds really nice flavor to it. So that and salt and mix. Of course, do a little taste check. Nice. So first, this we'll put a layer of curd on it, a flavored curd, some onions, gives a nice flavor to it, and once that is done, you can add a little bit more of the curds on top. And lunch is ready. You can obviously spruce it up a little bit more. You can add a few more sauces to it. And if you want, you can even add some egg to it and make a nice scrambled egg and mix it to this. Makes it a little bit more wholesome and full. Quite happy with this. A nice vegetarian roll. And it's quick, easy, takes less than 5 minutes to make. So why not? Now, time for lunch. Next week, I'm going to be doing a sandwich recipe for you guys. It's a sandwich which I usually have more towards the evening because I don't have a very heavy lunch. I have a very good breakfast, I have a light lunch, and I have one more snack in the evening because I don't want to eat this and then have it to sit in the office and feel sleepy. So no heavy lunch. So this is a nice lunch. It fills the stomach, but it's not so heavy that you feel sleepy. And next week I'm going to be showing you a sandwich recipe which is light, refreshing, and easy to make. So that's it for guys. See you next time.